Maisie, be nice. Be nice, Maisie. I'm holding Maisie, so no one worry. But I think Fanny thinks that Maisie is a rest place for her. It's okay, Maisie. I gotcha. She just wants to play with your collar. She likes her collar. Now, nobody panic, because my dog is used to birds, and I have my hand on her face, as you can see. Ow, don't bite me. Okay, come on, Fanny. Come on. Come up my shoulder. Woo! Woo! Alright, that's enough of that. Maisie's done. Right, Maise? You're a good girl, Maisie. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Yeah, okay. Say bye, Fanny. Watch out for Maisie's tail. In your face. Whoa.